We have launched a brand new fine-tuning section on the HPC-AI.com, upgrading our original reinforcement fine-tuning (RFT) feature to make model fine-tuning more accessible and user-friendly. In this video, we will walk you through how to submit a RFT task on the HPC-AI.com platform. To start a fine-tuning task, click on the Fine-Tuning module at the bottom left. Then, click Fine-Tune a model in the top right to enter the fine-tuning interface. We currently support reinforcement fine-tuning on HPC-AI.com. Step 1. Select a base model. We provide different parameter sizes of Qwen 3, Llama 3, and Llama 3.2. Step 2. Choose a reinforcement fine-tuning algorithm, such as GRPO or DAPO. Step 3. Upload your training data. You can either mount a dataset from storage or upload it directly through the front end. The JSON-L data used for fine-tuning needs to follow the specified format. Step 4. Configure computing resources, including GPU type, region, and storage path. We support a variety of high-performance GPU, including the latest B200 and H200, across regions such as Singapore and the United States. Step 5. Set additional configurations, such as job names and training parameters like learning rates and batch sizes. You may also enter your 1DB key to link the job with your 1DB account and track performance metrics on 1DB.ai. Finally, click Create Job to submit your reinforcement fine-tuning task. When the job status changes to running, click on the job name to view the detailed configuration, startup commands, and output logs. The logs are updated in real time. When the job status changes to succeeded, you can go to the shared storage mounted during job creation to access the fine-tuned model. If you entered a 1DB key when creating the job, you can visit 1DB.ai to monitor the resource usage and performance metrics of this fine-tuning task. Thanks for watching. Visit HPC-AI.com now to experience the powerful fine-tuning capabilities.